In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to edit the company address placeholder so that you may enter your own company address, phone numbers, web information, etc. Let's begin. Okay, let's click on the Form Options menu. That brings up Company Setup. We slide over and click on Edit Company Address. Unlike the company name placeholder, the company address placeholder will not highlight. However, it indicates, as you can clearly see at the end of the line, the cursor is blinking on and off, indicating that that area is ready for text input. We can move around all this area using our keys, or we could use our mouse to select text. For example, quality work since 1992. Okay, we could move down with our arrow keys, or again we can use our mouse button to select all text, backspace, and then enter whatever information we wish to enter in the company's header information. I'll type in just to follow along. Easy Street, city, state, zip code would go here. Okay, you can enter some phone numbers. 560, and let's say a fax. 90, and you can also enter your web address. easyhomerepairs.com. Add your email. Okay. Once you're satisfied with the edits, we want to apply the changes, so we're going to move the cursor over to the edge of the form and click. As soon as we see the arrow cursor, we'll left click the mouse button to apply the changes. Notice that the changes were applied. We can no longer edit this text, unless of course we went to the Form Options menu again, Company Setup, Edit Company Address, then we could go ahead and edit this again. Since we're not going to be editing, I'm going to take my mouse over here to the edge. I can see that it's displaying the arrow cursor, and I'm going to click once to apply the changes to the company address. That's about it. Thank you for watching this tutorial.